Now this is one of the methods to declare a function in JavaScript, but there are also different methods which we can perform function declaration. So let's say we give a function let variable and say add equals to function and then give parenthesis, and this is also a way to declare function. So now we just call our function add, pass on the arguments which we need, and that's it. Like console.log, this is an addition function. So that's it. Now if we run the node function file, this is an addition function, it displays. So this is also a way to declare a function. Now we can return values in functions also. So now let's say we want to add three things, 3, 4, 5, and here let's say we give a, b, c. We give the three parameters which were here, and then we add it. We can just return a plus b plus c, and giving a parenthesis is a better way to readability. That's it. Now if we run it, it shows this is an addition function. It only returns but does not display anything. Now for that we need to say let result equals to add, because this result will catch the return this value from the add function, and then we have to console.log result is, and then I display the result here, and let's see now what happens here. It says the result is 12 because we add 3, 4, 5, it gets 12, and when we return, this function add returns a value, and it has to be stored in some variable here, and that this result variable stores it, and we can display it anywhere we want. So this is also one way to declare methods or functions in JavaScript, and we can use it this way also. Now let's say we apply the concept of default parameters here too. And let's say I give the default parameter a equals to 6 here, and I remove the 3 here because it is a default parameter. Now I run the file, and it gives me a result of nan, which is not a number. Now let's see what the problem comes. Console.log, and then I console just a here, and it shows me the result for a is 4. Why? Because this is the first parameter and it takes the value of a here. But if I console the value of c here, it will give me undefined, because in default parameters you have to always keep the default parameter as the last one. If I give c equals to 10, only then it will work and give us proper results. Let's say we give a result, the result comes 19 and the value of c comes 10, which is the default one. If I pass the default value, if I pass a value in the function, then it takes the value from the function and returns us the result as per. So there is always a thing in default parameters, that default parameters should always be the last ones and not the ones in the first. So that's it about default parameters in functions. So I hope you liked the video. Please share the video and subscribe, and this is all about functions in JavaScript, and see you in the next video.